Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how you can change your Divi Map module default zoom level. So if you are designing your map with several markers, pointers like me, so you sometimes need to zoom out the map. So by default, it's very zoomed in. So if I zoomed out, I will show this is my actual map. So I just want to show most of the pointers in the initial map. So I need to zoom out my map, but the default was very zoomed in. So I look for some option to change my zoom level in the Divi backend and map module. So it's not is there, but it's not how I looked it. So I will show you where you can find this option. Like when you go to the map setting and you add your pointer like this. After that, go to the map section and click on the add your map center. So here you can visually change the zoom level. I didn't accept it. Actually, I was looking for some input box where I can put the zoom level 6, 7 or 8 or maybe 10. But this is how Divi add their zoom level. So if you click on this minus and you will see that the map is zoomed out here. So actually this set the default zoom level of your Divi map. So if you change the map level here and reload your page, you will see that the default zoom level is changed. Now it's more zoomed out. So this is how you can change your default zoom level in Divi Map module. So I hope you find it helpful when you work with your Divi module. Okay, thank you.